My dear child, you are going to meet your most profound aspirations and dreams head-on. You dedicated all of your energy to improving yourself. This inside effort changed your frequency, and as a result, everything you are drawing into your life is in alignment with this raised vibration. Consciousness, you deserve it all because the path you took was difficult and the universe tested you. You passed these trials and merited the abundance that is now entering your life. You are about to experience a significant turning point in your life, and this is a sign for you to never give up. Offer thanks for every obstacle as a blessing and persevere through any challenges that come your way. When you prayed to become great, the Source didn't offer you an easy life. Instead, they gave you the necessary trials to shape you into the person you have always prayed to be. I have planned to intentionally bless you, elevate you, quicken your dreams, and provide you with something you didn't deserve. You will be placed in a position that you could never have reached on your own, so prepare yourself by maintaining your faith, trusting in God, following my instructions, and remaining obedient to me. I will move you into a location of greater blessings. My young one, the enemy wants you to stop and turn around. He wants you to give up and forfeit your blessings. But I need you to keep going because you are so near to your breakthrough, the job you've been praying for, the healing you need, and the money you need. We will frequently have to make difficult decisions in life. If there is ever a time when a decision needs to be made and you are unsure of what needs to be done, have a conversation with Jesus because God is not a God of confusion. My child, you have come too far to stop. Keep climbing. You are so close to the summit and the view is beautiful. Whenever you feel confused about anything, remember to speak with Jesus and allow Him to bring peace and revelation to the situation. The very weak Satan comes to kill, steal, and destroy by attempting to confuse you about the important decisions you must make in life. Take a step back and always remember that confusion does not come from God's peace that surpasses all understanding. Right now, chains are breaking and doors are opening as you break free from generational curses. Generational restrictions, generational challenges, and entering a new phase of blessings. You are entering a time of more favor, and what has been kept back for your family is going to be released with you. What has been held back has not been lost, rather, it has been building. More influence and unity of opportunity. Some situations can leave you feeling stuck and lead you to ask, what else should I do now? When I made Abraham wait for a long time, he could have become stuck trying to move forward and might have asked, what else should I do? Instead, he chose to focus on me and faced the situation by moving forward and having faith in me. Daniel would have become stuck and might have asked, what else should I do, when he learned that he would be thrown into a lion's den. However, instead of focusing on the circumstance, he focused on me, and he faced the situation by having faith in me, knowing that if I allow something, then I will undoubtedly have a plan. Even in your life, some situations may make you stuck and make you ask me what else more you should do now. At that time, instead of focusing on the situation, focus on me, then move forward by trusting I will never allow something without having a plan. You know that very well. Remember one thing, everything that is happening in your life is for my glory, so have faith in me. I have a plan for you. Don't lose your faith in me by focusing more on the circumstances. When I led the Israelites towards the Promised land that I prepared for them through the Red Sea. By seeing the sea itself they all grumbled against me. They said it was better to stay in Egypt. They have lost their faith by focusing more on what they see with their eyes instead of focusing on me. In your life there are certain things that are happening. It may be making you lose your faith in me, but remember one thing: you have a promise from me, a promise to bless you, a promise to prosper you, a promise to protect you, a promise to provide you with what is exactly needed for your life. You also know that every word that comes from my mouth will never ever return as void, so have faith in me. Remember, I led the Israelites towards the Red Sea in order to open a way towards the promised land that I had prepared for them, so have faith in me. For everything I have a plan. Always remember, you have a promise. If I have given that promise, then I will do it. Like this video. If you believe in God says you're acceptable. Many of us base our self-confidence on what other people think, so we work hard at being accepted. We buy things, we wear things, we join things, all just for the benefit of trying to be accepted by our friends, family, co-workers, and peers. Does God say you have to earn acceptance, that you could ever deserve it? No, the Bible just says God has accepted you. If you're a believer, then you've accepted Jesus into your life. But do you understand that God accepts you? He loves you unconditionally and accepts you for who you are. Some of you grew up with unpleasable parents. No matter what you did, it was never ever good enough. Even today you're still trying to earn their love and approval. If that's the case with your parents or with anyone else you've been seeking to please, there are two things you need to know. First, in all likelihood you're never going to get that approval or acceptance, not because of who you are, but because of who they are. Second, you don't need their approval. Because you are acceptable to God, you don't need their approval to be happy. You only need the love and approval of one person, and you already have it. God says that you are accepted and that you will soon be telling a new tale of successful healing, plenty of health, good fortune, love, contentment, harmony, and immense joy. You'll grow stronger, smarter, and full of life, sharing all of your blessings and imparting the wisdom you've gained along the way. I'm going to do something you won't be expecting. All of a sudden, your health will improve. All of a sudden, the right person will appear. All of a sudden, you've survived a fire and a flood. All of a sudden, get ready for an abundance. You've overcome the adversaries who have been pursuing you: depression, addictions, problems at work, health challenges, etc. Ed and that storm are about to pass. What has been holding you back will be freed by me. Quit sacrificing your identity to win over people. God already values and approves of you. He claims you as His own. Quit allowing other people's opinions to rob you of your confidence and peace of mind. All you need is His approval, which you already have. Wake up every day and walk in that you are worrying way too much for no reason, and it's taking a toll on your health and in other areas of your life. Remember who I am. There is nothing too hard for me. You cannot see it, but I have things planned for you bigger and better than you ever thought possible. You have fought 1,000 battles, but you're still standing. You've cried 1,000 tears, but you're still smiling. You've been broken, betrayed, abandoned, and rejected, but you're still walking proud. You laugh, you live life without fear, and when you love hard. You are humble and beautiful, and you are loved by God. I will bring you out of the darkest hour and use it to promote you. My child, come to me with great expectation, knowing that I am your God. I am bringing you out of frustration. I am bringing you out of limitation. I am bringing you into a place of fulfillment and favor like never before. The delay is over. Be encouraged and of good cheer in this season. I am your source. Trust in me that I am doing what you have asked me to do. You are a magnet to all of the financial resources you need in order to fulfill your deepest dreams by feeling as though you already have what you dream of, feeling as you are already the person you wish to become. Your frequency becomes magnetized to attract everything necessary to accomplish your goals. Consciously return to this sensation as often as you can. Envision what it would be like to bring about your desired outcomes. You are going to be bestowed with a plethora of money resources that will be extremely beneficial. Regardless of how tough things may seem or feel right now, press on with complete faith in the knowledge that every bit of your hard work is placing you on a path to becoming the best version of yourself. Propel you forward in the pursuit of your dreams. Type 11 to 11 if you're ready, child. Something very good is about to happen for you. You will be stronger, brighter, and better off when you come out of this. You're going to be in a new place. You're going to be prepared for the calling and dream I have placed in you. Remember, my child, I know that when a sparrow falls to the ground, there is never a moment when I don't care, and there is never a time when I won't hear your prayers. Miracles will occur that aren't in your frame of consciousness. Keep moving with faith, and the universe will move mountains for you. Better days are just ahead of you. You will experience plenty of peace, love, and joy. We frequently encounter situations that we find difficult to understand. Our minds cannot fathom how a loving God could allow certain things to occur. These are the moments that define our faith, because God is asking us to trust Him even in situations where our hearts are unable to do so. Remember that God always knows what He is doing. Never doubt or be afraid. Just trust Him. Don't put your life on hold for anything. Live life to the fullest. That's where you will discover who you are. Take chances, embrace the journey, live fully, and discover what genuinely matters. God will give you direction regarding your circumstances, not anxiety. He will lead you along the correct path and wants the best for you, so trust Him and follow His instructions. Perhaps not now, perhaps not tomorrow, but eventually everything will work out. The clouds will part, the sun will shine once more, and the all-powerful God will make everything right and beautiful once more. Even though things aren't going well for you right now, you can be confident that one day they will be even better than they were. May you, in the midst of your daily struggles, dare to move a little closer to Jesus, cup your ear, and listen to what He has to say to you. He loves you, He cherishes you, He has hopes for you, He wants to heal you, restore you, and renew you. His truth will set you free. His power will part the waters. His love will heal your soul. His heart for you will make you whole. Today, lean in and pay attention to His voice. It is life-giving and redemptive, yet gentle and forceful. How sweet He is! I, the Lord, the God of all flesh, invite you to dare to believe in the person you can become because of Him. Have a good and lovely day. Nothing is too hard for me to do. Jeremiah 32 verse 27. God is your creator, protector, deliverer, and provider. May He inspire new and inventive ways to earn a living. May He shield you from the accusations of your detractors. May He deliver you from the enemy's plots. May He more than meet all of your requirements. If you believe in God, you may trust that He is at work in your circumstances, that He not only has us in His hands but also loves and treasures us and can bring good even in the worst of circumstances. Amen.